This is what I have created using Figma Make. So you can see animations, everything looks very good. Hi guys, my name is Ritesh and I'm a product designer. In this video, we are going to make stunning website in the Figma Make. Let's jump on this video. Open the ChatGPT and write this prompt. Help me create a prompt for Figma. This is creating prompt for Figma Make. So yeah, this is good enough. So let's copy and go to Figma Make and paste this prompt and select to Figma Make to Cloud Ops 4.7, but this will take more token. Okay, so this is keep in your mind. Just hit that start button. Figma Make is thinking. Let's see how much time it will take to make a stunning website. Hope so it create a good website. Let's see. So this is what Figma Make built for me. It's really bad. I didn't like it. Yeah, this is not good. But what I have created earlier, that was more cooler than this. But let's refine. Add more. So yeah, this is I got from Figma. So it's like decent design they have built for me. Oh, see this kind of animation it's created. It's nice. But you are wondering like how I can export this animated animation. So it's really hard. It's not bit hard, but it's hard. So there is an option called copy, right? You can make a static copy. Static copy means, so put it here. We make a copy, but this website is static. Figma didn't copy the animated component. How you can export animated component, that is different method. So just go on this website and click on setting and connect your GitHub. Create a GitHub and create a repository. Once you create a repository, it will ask like what name you want for your GitHub repository. So I want some test one and create. It's creating repository for me. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is done. And go on the view, and this is currently private. Okay, and you have to go in this setting and go to change visibility, change to public. Okay, once you make it repository public, so you go to code and copy this link and share with your engineer team. So basically they can able to access this repository, and from there they can export the animated component. So this is a right way, so engineer can make a copy. And by the way, this is the another option I have created using Figma Make. And see, it's very clean and very professional animation they have created. So with this kind of iteration, I make a lot of iteration, then I come up with this kind of result. So it's all up to you how much time you spend on this Figma Make, and it's all up to you. If you have any question or feedback, comment below. I will help you out. See you. Take care.